What's up, everybody? Welcome to yet another one here right here at Maths with Gastin. I am Gastin Mapala. Let's look at question 6, November 2020, grade 10 Maths, paper 1. It was a function question. We are given parabola, exponent, and straight line. Very, very exciting questions. We just need to get all the marks here. So please, guys, make sure that you subscribe and pay attention to whatever I'm going to explain question by question. If you don't understand, make sure that you leave a comment. Then I will definitely assist you where I can. All right, great stuff. So let's have a look at 6.1. It says that, okay, let's read the question from the start rather. In a given sketch below, the following graphs are represented. Okay, we see that there's a parabola there. It's a smiling parabola. It's given by f of x. Okay, 3x squared minus 12. Then we've got a straight line as well. It's given by g, x plus 2, and therefore we have got an exponent function there which doesn't have any equation. All right, good stuff. So okay, let's go then. 6.1 it's saying that we need to 6.1 is saying that we need to find the length of GH if OF is 1 unit. Okay, let's come here. If OF is from here to there, it's 1 unit. Okay, now we must find HG. So if this is 1, it simply means the x coordinate here of F, it's 1. The y coordinate we don't know, but it's fine. Therefore, it also means here at G, it's 1. So, but we can simply find the y coordinate there, and here at H, it's also 1. Very, very critical, guys. Very, very, very critical. So we don't know the y here. We also don't know the y there. But I mean, ask yourself this question: where is G sitting? Remember, you're looking for GH. So what you're looking for this length here from G and then H. So you're looking for this distance here, which is the y values. Okay. So now ask yourself, where is G sitting? G is sitting on a straight line. Okay. So if G is sitting on a straight line, let's come here, 6.1. If G is on the straight line, what is straight line? Straight line is h of x, and x is equals to 1 where G is. So it means now you can come here and say on a straight line, which is given by G, when x is equals to 1, what is y? Therefore, y is equals to 3. Okay. So therefore, you are done. So what did you find? You found only this distance from here up until here. So it means here is what? Is 3. So now you need this one from here up until going down here. Okay, good stuff. So now where is H sitting? H is sitting on where x is equals to 1. H is sitting on F. Okay, so you can go to the graph of F and then say when x is equals to 1, what is y? Okay, so it's going to be 3 minus 12, which is going to give us a value of minus 9. Okay, which is good. It's fine. So, but remember, guys, here we're looking for the distance. Therefore, with that said, the distance from there to here is going to be minus 9. Okay, but distance cannot be a negative. Okay, so now what do you do? Once you have that, you can simply say, okay, the distance of GH, which is this whole thing here, is going to be given by the distance of FH plus the distance of FH, GH and FH. So GH, which is this one, we said is 3 plus the distance of that one is going to be 9. Therefore, GH is going to be equals to 9 plus 3 is going to be 12. Then we can just say units there because we don't know how much units are those ones. Okay, I think it's fairly straightforward, guys. If you know how to follow analytically, you should be able to deal with this one. All right, if you've got questions, please let me know. All right, good stuff. So now let's go to 6.2. 6.2, it says is divided into three questions. It says 6.2.1, determine the coordinates of E, the point of intersection of F and G. Okay, coordinates of E. Do we have the equation of F and G? Yes, we have got the equations of F and G. So we're going to come here and say 6.2, 6.1. Okay, so it's where G of X is equals to the other graph. Okay, so what is G? G is X plus 2 is equals to, the parabola. And therefore, once you are here, guys, you can just solve, take everything to one side, take this one to this side, take this one to this side. So we are going to, okay, not that way rather, but the other way around. Take 2 that side and then take X that side. Yeah, okay. So it means 3x squared will remain positive, and then you are going to have negative x is going to come in from that side. You're going to have negative 12, negative 2. So you are going to have 3x squared minus x, and then is going to be negative 14 is equals to 0. Oh, here we go. Familiar, ne? Factorize. There's no any other way, guys. You need to factorize. Okay, factorize this trinomial. Two numbers, when you multiply them together, they give you 14, 7 and 2, 14 and 1. Okay, but we can see that here we're looking for 1. So definitely it's going to be 7 and 2. And therefore, the bigger number takes the sign of the middle term, which is negative. So it's going to be negative here. There's going to be positive. Therefore, once you finish with that, then you can say 3x minus 7 is equals to 0, or x plus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore, you take 7 that side, you divide everything by 3, is going to be 7 over 3, or x is going to be minus 2. Okay, great stuff. So now with that said, you can now what are we looking for? Coordinates of E. Okay, you can now therefore, no, sorry, this is divided by 3. Okay, divided by 3. Yes, this 3, not 2. Okay, good stuff. So now you can choose any equation whatsoever, and then you substitute and find the y value, because E is on both straight line and a parabola. So therefore, I would rather choose the most simplest one, which in this case it will be the straight line. So I can come here and say, on a straight line, 7 over 3 is going to be 7 over 3 plus 2, which is going to give us, on a calculator, is going to give us 13 over 3. So therefore, the coordinates of E coordinates will be 7 over 3, 13 over 3. I know you're asking yourself, guys, why didn't I choose negative 2? I didn't choose negative 2 because now negative 2 is this point here, because x on this side is positive. Okay, this is the positive side of x. So on the x-axis is positive on this side. So hence I didn't choose negative. I chose a positive number, which was 7 over 3. Okay, great stuff. So now let's move on to 6.22. 6.22 is going to be given to us by, they are saying determine the equation of H. Okay, get the equation of H. Equation of H is the equation of our exponent here, which is this one here. They've given us two values there, they are there. Okay, so now what I would normally do, let me rather write it up here. Okay, let me rather write it up here. It's 6.2.2. all right, guys, I hope you guys are following. It is given by H is equals to AX plus Q. All right, guys, you would understand that Q is the line of asymptotes. So if we have a look at here, what is this line here? This line of asymptotes here, what is the value on that line? So this line, basically, guys, it is the y-intercept of a straight line. Okay, is the y-intercept of it, and the y-intercept of our straight line. If x is equals to 0 here on our straight line, what is y? Y is equals to 2. So therefore q is equals to 2, which is the line of asymptotes. Okay, so therefore we can substitute that 2 here. We're going to substitute the 2. Okay, there you go. Ax plus 2. But k, they've given us k. K, they said it's equals to 1 is to 4. So we can substitute k here, and then we know that y is going to be equals to 4. A is going to be a, and then 1 would be 1 plus 2. Therefore, we can solve for a. Take 2 that side is going to be 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equals to a. So therefore, a is equals to 2. There you go. So a is equals to 2. Therefore, our equation is going to be given to us by this one is going to be given to us by h is equals to 2 to the power of x plus 2. Makes sense, guys? If it doesn't make sense, please make a shout, give me a shout out, and I will definitely assist you. All right. Okay, it says that now look, determine the equation of k if k is a reflection of f about the x-axis. So what is f? F is a parabola, the reflection above the x-axis. So it means this graph will just be sad. Therefore, we just need to multiply everything by -1. Okay. So now if we multiply everything by -1 there at f of x, I'm going to write it here. F of x, 3x squared minus 12. Multiply everything by -1 here. Okay, so therefore it's going to give us the new graph, which is the graph of h. Is going to be -3x squared plus 12. And that's your equation, guys, and that's how you would deal with this one. And then therefore now let's deal with for which values of x is the graph of f of x greater than 1. For which values of x is it greater than 1? So you'll just see, guys, it's just gonna be your x-intercept values there, and then I'm not gonna do them here, guys, since I've run out of space, but I will just write them here. You guys need to confirm that if this is correct or not. If it's not correct, please let me know, because I already know that this value here, this is the x-intercept. Okay, this is the x-intercept of g. I already know that this is -2, so probably this one here should be 2 as well. Okay, so therefore I know that is going to be between this there and there. The graph is above 0 when it's there, so it's going to be where x is greater. Let me see. Yes, where x is greater or equal to -2, or and x is less or equal to 2. And that's how you would deal with a question like this one, guys. I am Gaston Mapala. I will definitely see you on the next upload, where we will be doing question 7. All right, make sure that you stay tuned on this channel and you subscribe.